All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the BJP-led Modi regime is the biggest hurdle in resolving the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations resolutions that guarantee the right to self-determination to the Kashmiri people. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid bin Has, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the global community acknowledges the Kashmiri struggle as a just and legitimate movement, while refraining from directly calling him a rubber stamp chief minister. Umar Abdullah voiced frustration over the erosion of his administrative authority following the downgrading of occupied Kashmir status. Speaking at a public rally in Pulwama, he drew a stark contrast between his earlier tenure as chief minister and the current administration under New Delhi's direct rule, where the real power lies not with the elected representatives but with the Delhi installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Scores of persons with disabilities held a protest in the Kupwara against authorities for neglecting their long pending demands. They deplored that the promises made to them remain unfulfilled and called for the urgent implementation of the Rights of the Persons with the Disabilities Act 2016. India's National Investigation Agency has filed a charge sheet against three Kashmiri youth in a pro-freedom case in the Punch district. The charge sheet names Abdulaziz, Munawar Hussain, and Nazir Hussain, accusing them of inciting people to support the freedom movement. Group of concerned citizens, a collective of the former officials and the professionals in occupied Kashmir, has voiced serious concern over the prolonged delay in restoring statehood, warning that the further dilly-dallying is fraudulent with dangerous consequences.